If you're looking for an easy way to set up Housecall Pro for your handyman business, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get your business running smoothly with this powerful software. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get a completely free trial with exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software solution designed to streamline your handyman business. Whether you're handling appointments, payments, or managing your team, Housecall Pro helps you do it all in one place. So let's dive into how to set it up and start using it to save you time and make your business more efficient. First, the setup process is straightforward. After signing up, you'll land on your dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is add your business details. Go to the settings section where you can input your business name, logo, and contact information. This is the foundation for everything, so make sure to fill out these fields accurately so your customers get the right details when they interact with you. Once that's done, set up your services. Under the Services tab, you can create different job categories that your business handles, like plumbing, electrical, or general handyman work. This helps you keep everything organized and ensures your customers know exactly what you're offering. Next, let's talk about managing appointments. Housecall Pro has a feature called Scheduling. Here, you can input all your jobs and appointments into a calendar and even set recurring jobs for regular clients. The system automatically syncs with your mobile app, so no matter where you are, you'll never miss a job. You can also assign specific technicians to jobs and track their progress in real time. Now, let's move to the next critical feature, invoicing and payments. With Housecall Pro, you can easily create invoices directly from the job site or your dashboard. It integrates with payment platforms like Stripe or Square, so clients can pay on the spot via credit card, ACH, or even through a mobile wallet. The software also keeps a record of all payments for easy tracking and financial reporting. For those who manage a team, the team management feature is a game changer. You can assign tasks, set job priorities, and even monitor how your technicians are performing through their mobile devices. Plus, you can set up automated notifications to keep everyone in the loop. No more chasing down your team for updates. Communication is also a breeze with Housecall Pro. The software offers a built-in messaging system, allowing you to send texts or emails directly from the platform. It's a great way to stay connected with both your customers and your team without using multiple apps. Now, if you're looking to boost your marketing, Housecall Pro integrates with tools like Google My Business and social media platforms to help you attract more customers. This means you can show up in local searches, generate more leads, and even request reviews from happy clients, all from the same platform. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up Housecall Pro for your handyman business. Remember, this software will save you time and increase efficiency across the board. And the best part, you can try Housecall Pro for free with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link in the description below. Get started now and watch your handyman business run smoother than ever before. Thanks for watching, and remember to check the description for your free trial and bonuses.